Tube. It's my 2005 Chevy Avalanche 1500 I have for sale. Just doing a quick little video of it. These are 22-inch chrome wheels that I have. I believe they're by Boss Motorsports. Good look, paint, pretty much flawless. Never been in an accident before. Take a little walk around. Tinted windows. I'll try and show you guys the alarm system here. Gotta find which key it is. I think it's this one. So right now the alarm system is armed. If I go up to any of the windows or any of the body, if I just kind of there's a warning. Now I'll get a page. That's for the glass breaking sensor. Okay, there's that. Now, I suppose I can set it off and try not to be too much of a nuisance here, but if I again, a warning. Here, I'll just go ahead and hit the panic button for you. Hear the alarm go off. It's kind of loud, so I'll shut it off real quick. But so, horn, sirens, awesome. You know, you get the page. Go ahead and take a look in the interior. Go ahead and start it up for you. Got a mile range on this thing. Open her up. Again, with tinted windows. Tell a little bit of the difference. I mean, it is a cloudy day, but so on the inside, you've got all your controls. Here's the mileage for you. A7826. Go ahead and put the key in the ignition. This is my hardwired radar detector. Here's the sunroof. I don't really use it that much, but you know, that's just me. Bose audio system. Yeah, whatever. Leather interior, two-tone with the name and etched in the headrest. What else do we got? Here's your antenna for the alarm system. There's your status LED light for the alarm. Theft deterrent. I'll go ahead and show you guys a little bit more of the back seat. This is, let me go ahead and move that. Shallow mount Rockford Fosgate subwoofer on the back bench. Stinger 1 farad capacitor with digital voltage readout. And the amplifier is under the other seat, but take a look at the